Alright guys, here's your quick business tip of the day. This is going to be about growth and the area that you grow within and how to make that happen. So you got to think of it as like a fish in a fish tank. If you keep a small fish in a small tank, or you keep a small shark, like a baby shark, in a small tank, it will only get so big. So what I've realized recently, coming 2019, I'm rapidly and extensively growing the size of my business by partnering with someone that's in a similar field and creating a partnership S corp. So I mean, entities is way out of this tip of the day, but growth is only going to happen if you put yourself in that position to grow. If you keep yourself in a small, let's put it in perspective. Let's say that you offer a service within a town and you stick to just that town. You don't try to market outside of it. You don't try to reach customers from outside of that town. You're just so comfortable with providing the service in that town that's where you've been stuck pretty much. That's where you have been doing business. But it may be a scary thought to expand because you don't know, like, oh, what if I pay this money to get a bigger facility? What if I pay this money for more marketing? What if I pay this money and this happens? It's always a what if then statement that stops you from growing. And I'm sure there's many other entrepreneurs out there that get the same feeling. It's a gut feeling, but most of the time it's wrong. It's just based on the fear of getting turned down or the fear of losing, which is a human characteristic that everyone has. Everyone is scared to lose, and everyone is scared to get turned down. So let's say an example here. This is going to be a long tip of the day because I'm giving examples of real life situations that I've been through. When I started in the window tinting business, I started as an internship. Thankfully, I got hired and to be trained the first day of my internship. And I got hired. I was getting paid whatever amount per week, a flat rate. And the guy that I was working for actually set me up as a contractor. So I was getting a 1099, and I was set up as my own entity. Now this put me in a perspective that he probably didn't want me to be in. I was like, wow, I have my own business, but I'm still working only for this guy. Let me start doing side jobs. I started doing side jobs, and I built such a huge reputation in my hometown that one day, after 3 years of working for this guy as a subcontractor, I just got up and quit. And it was a scary thought to just quit my main source of income and do the same thing, but on my own completely. The majority of the money I was making was through this company that I was subcontracting for, because I was scared to leave because I didn't want to let that money down. But the day I left, the next day, I had 3 appointments every single day, tinting cars, and ever since then, it's just folded. It's been amazing. So don't be scared to go outside of the box or do something that's out of the norm for you. You know, next year I'm getting right now I have a shop that's about 1,500 square feet. Next year I'm getting a shop that's 4,500 square feet, and partnering with someone that offers different services that I don't. It's going to be amazing. But the business tip of the day today is mainly, don't be scared to expand. Have a plan and execute. Do not be scared to expand. You'll regret it when you get older. Do it now. Fail when you can, and learn off of those failures and keep killing it. I really hope that helped you guys out with some motivation. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Check out my other business tips of the day. And for all you window tint subscribers, don't worry, I got something huge coming soon. So stay in tune, subscribe, and like this video, please. I really appreciate your guys' support, and peace.